So today I'm going to teach you how to create this maps project. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our maps app and find a location. I'm going to zero in on the Imperial County because I'm using this with some second graders. And I'm just going to zoom in to where I want it to go. I'm going to lower that left sidebar right there. And then position my map, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this and go ahead and crop it at this point. So I don't want those menus on there, so the top bar, the left bar, so I'm going to crop those out of there while I'm in this position. Good, there. I'm going to go ahead and click done and save to photos. So now I have my map. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this out and open up Keynote. So I'm going to go to Keynote, open up Keynote, and I'm in a presentation, so I'm going to close that one right there. I'm going to open up a new presentation, pick the theme, and I'm just going to pick the basic white presentation. I don't need anything complicated. So I'm going to go ahead and let that open. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete these titles. And while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and rename my project and click rename. And I'm just going to rename this one Imperial County, since that's what we're doing. Okay. Imperial County. Okay, good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change the presentation type, because a typical presentation, if you click a slide, it goes to the next slide. I don't want it to do that. So we're going to go to presentation options and go to presentation type and click links only. That way it will only advance to a slide when we click a specific link. And that's what the beauty of this project is that it only goes where we want it to go. We don't want it to go to the next slide. We want to go to specific slides. So I'm going to go ahead and add my map in here. Oh, there it is up at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and expand it to fit the screen size right now. Okay, there we go. And that's good. I'm going to shrink my slide so I can see it a little bit easier. Make sure it's all on there. Yep, that's what I want. Okay, so now I have my map set up. Oops. And I am going to go ahead and create a new slide. So when we click the bottom left, and I'm just going to use this title and photo here. Now I want to go ahead and click create my slides here. So the first one I'm going to do is Glamis. I'll come back and add the other stuff in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and add Holtville here. It's another city we're studying. Oops. And another slide. You know, I'm just doing all the same slides. I'm going to do this. This one's El Centro. I think you got it correct. And this one, Mexicali, Mexico. Or Mexicali, Mexico. The way you really pronounce it, Mexico. That is one of our sister cities right here across the border. And now I'm going to go ahead and just add the pictures that I've already chosen for each one of these slides, but each one is a different slide. So 4 slides is usually good, 5 maybe. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus sign in the bottom left right of that picture, and then it opens up my photos menu. And I'm going to go ahead and select the pictures. That was a picture of Glamis. And I have an old picture of Holtville, and it's heyday. And then I go to El Centro, it's the county seat, so there's a beautiful courthouse there. I'm going to add that picture. And the last one, Mexicali, there is this beautiful church that's down there, and let's add that one there. So I went ahead and added the details for the slide presentation to all these other slides. And so now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the map. Now if I were to play it right now, I can't go anywhere because I have no links. So I need to add some links to this presentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the Shapes Gallery and go to the search bar and type in flag and find a flag that I like. I'm going to go ahead and pick that. Now what I want to do is I want to change the color. I don't like this color, so I'm going to resize it and change the color. So I'm going to get it to the size and color I want. So I'm going to tap on the flag itself to highlight it, and I'm going to go up to the paintbrush tool in the top right. Now when I go to style submenu there, I can select a color, one of those colors or one of these customized colors, find whatever I want and find something that works. Some things work better with certain maps. So there's what I want. Now what I want to do is I want to copy this. I want to just tap on it, get that shortcut menu, click copy. And now I just tap on the screen and go up to the shortcut menu, hit paste. So just tap on the screen, paste, tap on the screen, paste. So now I have 4 copies of the same flag. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place these flags where my locations are. So I got Mexicali, Hopeville, El Centro, and Glamis. So Glamis is right about there. So now that I have my locations, I need to go ahead and link them. So I want to go ahead and create that link. Now, remember, when you touch on these shapes, you'll get a shortcut menu that pops up. So it doesn't have link here, but there's an arrow on the right there. If I click that, it will go to the additional items on there, and you'll see link is there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on link there. Now I want to go to the second one that says link to slide. That'll tell me a number, so I can go to a specific number. I'm on slide 1. I want it to go to slide number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now just click away anywhere on the screen. Now I want to go to my other ones and do the same thing. So tap on it, go to link, and then link to slide. And this one happens to be number 3. So I'm going to go to number 3. And then I'm going to go to the next one, click on that, the arrow to link, and link to slide number 5. Okay, did it out of order. And then tap that one, link, and link to slide number 4. There we go. Now, if I go ahead and play it and tap on one of my links, one of my flags, it will go to that page. But now I can't go back because I don't have a link. So we're going to go ahead and create a link for this. I think the easiest way is just to add a shape of a house. So go up to the shapes, type in house or home. And there's a shape there. Now, cool thing here is I'm going to go ahead and resize it, put it in place. Now, cool thing is if I copy this image where I like it, I'm going to copy it there. And if I go to the other slides and paste, it'll be in the same exact locations. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on it, copy. Now go to the other slide, and I want to just hit paste. Just tap on the screen, hit paste. It puts it exactly in the same space. So you see you have that continuity. I don't know, it's my type A personality, my OCD, I don't know what it is. But I'm going to go ahead and just paste this on each one of those slides. Okay, so now I have a button. Now I need to go ahead and link it, just like we did a minute ago. I'm going to tap on the shape, so the home button, or the home there. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and it's going to give me that shortcut menu. So I'm going to go over to links and click link. And this time I could do link to slide, but I could also go down to the bottom and go a little bit, about halfway down, go to first slide. It does the same thing. So I'm going to do that. Tap on it, link, and link to first slide. And then same thing. And you'll notice there's a little arrow that comes out, a little curved arrow. That tells you have a link on that image. So it kind of, if you don't see anything there, you know you don't have a link. So I'm going to go ahead and click first slide again. There we go. And then the last one, click link. There we go. And now I am really done. If I hit play and hit that button, it's going to take me back to my main page. I click anything, click any of those flags, it takes me around the project, and I'm able to, use this in a creative way with students, so that they can learn a little bit about geography. So thanks. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, just post them and I'll try to help you out the best I can.